Well, after half of what the I just witnessed, let's try to beat all 3 of these games. Isn't that so, Carolina? Oh, yeah. Let's do this. Remember, don't screw up. If you screw up, you're not gonna like what's gonna happen. Yes, I beat the Oilers. I beat the Edmonton Oilers. I'm so happy. Yes, I beat the Edmonton Oilers. Yes, I beat the Edmonton Oilers. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. Why the Vancouver Canucks? Why is it always the Canucks? We beat the Ducks. We beat the Anaheim Ducks. We beat the Anaheim Ducks. I can't believe it. Okay, it's a bye week for all 3 of us. Maybe we can try doing better. Well, I'm not involved in this. Bye-bye. Hey, where are you going? Wonder where I left that. Why the Avalanche? Why? Why Colorado? Where's the Broncos versus the Giants and now this? Is this a joke, America? You think Colorado will easily beat New York? Are you calling us jokesters? I can't believe it. One game against the Detroit Red Wings, the next you just flop. What the did I just witness? What the hell did I just witness? Hey Islanders, you want to take me on tonight? No, I don't think we're on tonight. But I think the Rangers might have to kill off the St. Louis Blues. They better.